Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how you could easily disable the Windows Hypervisor Platform in Windows 11. To begin, make sure to connect to the internet and go to your search bar and type Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click on Turn Windows Features On or Off to begin. Locate Windows Hypervisor Platform and click on the little box next to it. It should be selected in blue. Click on it to become white. Click OK. Windows will start searching for required files and installing them. Once done, you will be prompted to restart your computer, and after that this option should be disabled or turned off from your Windows. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.